This car isn't on fire, but it's actually venting intense heat pressure from deep inside its engine. Within seconds, the boiling radiator water turns into a high-pressure steam jet, erupting from under the hood. In a situation like this, simply adding more water isn't enough. If the radiator is clogged, the water won't be able to circulate properly to cool the engine. This usually happens because the inside of the radiator is filled with rust and debris. As the engine heat stays trapped, the pressure builds up until the radiator fluid finally bursts out.